Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, sir. I'm Simberlyn Rial. I'm 37 years old. I'm single, and I have two sons, ages 14 years old and 17 years old. I'm the third of the family member.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and two sisters.
Okay, what is your education?
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, do you have any working experience as a domestic helper before?
Yeah, I have a working experience in other country. First is Saudi Arabia, and there are 8 family members, 6 children, and
What are the ages of the children?
like 3 years old, 5, 6 years old, 13 years old, and 10 years old.
Okay, so you're the only one maid there?
Yes, of course.
What the other job duties you do in the house?
I clean the house, I cook for them, I taking care of the kids.
Okay, did you finish the contract?
Yes, I finished like 2 years and 1 month.
Okay, so do you have any other experience?
I have experience also in Morocco, and there are 5 family members, 3 children, ages 8 years old, 10 years old, and 14 years old.
Okay, so you do all the household chores there in Morocco?
Yes,
How many years did you work there?
I worked there as 4 years.
Okay. So, do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Yes.
So, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check first if her diaper is wet, and also her temperature if it is hot or not. I will feed the milk and sing a song.
Okay. So, why do you want to come to abroad?
For financial support for my family and also for my kids.
Who will take care of your kids when you work there?
My sister.
Okay. So, if you have homesick, how can you avoid it?
I will focus on my household chores, and I will treat my employer as my family member.
Okay. So, do you have a long patience for very naughty children?
Yes.
Okay. So, are you scared dogs and cats?
No, I don't scared of dogs because I have experience also in Morocco with one pet.
Okay. So, you're taking care of dog in Morocco?
Yes.
Do you have any allergy?
No.
Can you sing a song for a baby?
Yes, like A, B, C, D.
Oh, sige, you can sing now.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, thank you. So, can you access the article other person and assist them all their needs? Okay. Do you have tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have a tattoo in my left arm and
Which part? Can you show in the camera?
this one and also this one.
Okay. So, in abroad, if ever you work there, if the children got sick, what will you do?
I will check first her temperature if it is hot or not, and then I will ask the parents to go to the hospital for checkup.
Do you know how to take a bath with a newborn baby?
Yes.
What do you need to prepare?
I will prepare lukewarm water, the soap, and the towel. And I will take care of her nose, her ears, and her eyes, not to spill with the water.
Okay. So, what food can you cook?
Like Filipino food, native.
Are you willing to cook Chinese food?
I am willing to learn to cook the Chinese food.
Okay, can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Hope you will hire me. I'm willing to learn, and
Do you know what to follow the instruction?
yes, I will follow your instructions.
Can you promise to finish the 2 years contract and
Yes,
more?
of course.
Okay, thank you.